I forgot that I had this, but like 3-4 days, maybe 4 days after the Hurricane Florence, we went to the beach, and there was just all kinds of stuff everywhere. But we found this, and it kind of looks like a jawbone or something to me. And it's not something recent, like 10 years ago or something. Like this thing looks like it's been worked over pretty good. It's 5 inches long, and it's 1 inch wide. But I can't for the life of me figure out what it is. We found all kinds of stuff on the beach over the years, but nothing close to this. So it was in North Carolina, Emerald Isle Beach. So if you have any idea what this is, or pass it along. I just thought it was really strange. It's probably nothing, but it looks like a lower jawbone, possibly, of something. So, if you have any idea, put them down in the comments. That's what the inside part of it looks like. Alright, so if you think you might know what it is, leave it down in the comments. Have a good one.